Hi guys, welcome again to the channel Plus Toy TV. Please help us to subscribe to have more video about toy cars. So today we will look for toy cars at the rice seeding field. Look at all the fields, so beautiful. So all toy cars in here. So we'll search for the toy cars in the field. So come along with me. Look for toy cars in the field. Okay, come along with me. Alright guys, here look at this guys. Wow, look at this. Look at this. We found the animal cars here. This is the animal car. Okay, a truck. And had the elephant at the back. White elephant. Wow, beautiful. And we found excavator. Wow, look at this. Fast, super fast. Super fast. And we found the truck. Wow, truck. Truck loaded the land. Wow, that's nice. Alright, keep looking for more toy cars here in the field. Wow guys, look at this. Guys, look at this. We found another truck here again. Wow, look at this. Super truck. Super power truck. And we found here the little car. 4 little car unboxed. Little car toys. Wow, all these products made in China. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, keep looking some more guys. Looking some more. Wow guys, here we found another truck, another car. Look at this red car. Wow, beautiful. Super racing sport car. And this is excavator. Wow, look at this excavator, unboxed excavator. Wow, looks nice. Okay, keep looking some more guys. Keep looking some more. Keep looking some more. Wow, beautiful view. Wow guys, look at this. Wow guys, look at this. Wow. We found a yellow car. Wow, pure speed car here. Pure speed car. And here's the unpacked little car. Wow. Very speed. Wow. Looks gorgeous. Okay, keep looking some more guys. Looking some more. Wow, keep looking some more. Wow guys, look at this. Wow. Look at this guys. Found the white car here. White car. And here we found the truck. Wow, super truck. Super truck. That's nice. Keep looking some more. Looking some more guys. Keep looking some more. Wow guys. Look at this guys. Look at this. Wow. Here we found again the truck. Wow, 4-wheel drive truck. And this is the white car. Minimus. Wow. Beautiful. Nice. Okay, keep looking some more. Looking some more guys. Keep looking some more. Wow guys, look at this. Wow, look at this guys. We found another truck. Unpacked speed. Wow, that's nice. Wow, keep looking some more guys. Wow, keep looking some more. Wow guys, look at this. Wow. Wow guys, found 2 more here. This is animal truck. The horse, more truck, and another blue car, cute speed car. Wow, that's nice. Okay, keep looking some more. Keep looking some more, guys. Wow, here guys again. Wow, 2 more in here. Wow. 2 more in here. Truck again. Truck. And this is a cement car, construction cement car. That's nice. All right. Okay, let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. This is the track, and this is the cement track. A cement track that looks nice. And this is the red car, unpack and box mini car, and the blue car, cute car, and the white car. Here's the white car, and track again. And here's the yellow car, and another track, and this is the excavator. Here again, 4-liter car, another excavator here, and here's the engineering truck, unpack, unbox little car, and here's the white car, and this is the animal car. And trucks in here, only horse and animal car. Alright, thank you for watching.